This is Officer Dan doing a quick rundown of one of my 350Zs. This one in particular I am the most stoked about because it has the brand new GKTech drop knuckles on it. And I can say without a doubt in my mind, this is the best driving car that I have in my stable. That includes the Lexus, that includes the S13, and it definitely includes the other Z. Absolutely amazing. 350Zs are already super easy to drive, but this one is on a different level with the knuckles, the lower control arms, and the upper control arms. It is a masterpiece. So I've now done 2 events on this car, and I wanted to wait until I gave my feedback until I had at least 2 events under my belt and everything stays functioning properly, and I was able to get a feel on a large course as well as a skid pad course that I set up the other night. And I can say without a doubt in my mind that is the best thing that I've ever done to this car. Even with stock horsepower, this thing can use that angle as long as you're using the correct tire pressure in the back and everything is good to go there. But with power, this thing would be an absolute weapon. Like 70 degrees of steering angle, yes, please. Stock Z, probably not going to use all of it. But there was not a single time in the last 2 events where I ever even came close to spinning out or binding or hitting lock. So good job, GKTech. Stoked to be a part of this one.